Taking part in sports is important for children, as it reduces stress and enhances their mood. Sports builds healthy bones, and muscles increases fitness, improves sleep, helps them socialize. It also improves their cooperation skills, boosts self-confidence, and lowers the risk of getting obese. There are many reasons to exercise regularly. Overall, it keeps students as well as everybody healthy.
Thank you.